Well, did you know that April is Financial Literacy Month?
I did not. We were just talking about it a little earlier, but
Yeah.
you getting your kids to save. So how good are you with money and finances? Joining us now from American Eagle Financial Credit Union is Teresa Knox. She's the Senior Vice President and Chief Operations Officer. Thank you so much for being with us, Teresa. How are you?
I am great, Scott and Kara. Thanks for having me.
It's so great to even think about teaching this, because we always say that nobody ever taught us in school what we really needed to know about life. So you really need to start making sure people are empowered about money early, right?
Absolutely. The earlier, the better. Especially in the recent times, we've really seen how important making smart money choices has been during the last year with the pandemic, especially.
And do you find that more people are, we did a story the other day that some more people are actually saving money as opposed to spending it because there's not a lot to do to spend the money on?
Yeah, that's absolutely true right now. I think, times are changing though, and hopefully, we'll get back to some sort of normalcy. We're starting to see a little bit more travel out there, but a lot of people are saving, which is great. I think one of the things we really have to think about is saving not just during the pandemic, but all times, because we never know when an unprecedented event is going to happen.
Right, exactly.
And it could be little things. What do you advise to just get people some momentum? Like, okay, good, I started saving this. Where can you start, even with ATM fees?
Yeah, that's a great choice. So there are a couple fees that I like to talk about. One of them is the ATM fee. So, the best way to handle your ATM is to visit your own financial institution's ATM, so your bank or your credit union. But if you can't do that because it's not convenient, then you really want to take a look at if your bank or credit union belongs to an ATM network. So American Eagle, we belong to two networks. We belong to an all-point network and a sum network. So our members actually have over 60,000 free ATMs across the country.
Wow.
So wherever they're at, they can actually access their accounts and get free money. Again, with the new travel, starting to pick up, this is really an important benefit. But those ATM fees, if you start to visit too many ATMs, they add up very quickly.
Eats into it.
Yeah, what I find, what I'll typically do is I'll take, you guys, offer so many different products. I'll take a credit card and I'll go to a supermarket and get cash back on a 99% pack of gum instead of paying a $3 ATM fee.
Right. That's absolutely a great a choice too, Scott. I mean, I think that any way you can avoid ATM fees is definitely a way you can put that money back in your pocket.
You know what I love is that you actually have free courses on your website. So if you're feeling like, gosh, I just didn't learn what I needed to learn, I don't know where to start, you have these modules that people can just take them and they're free and they feel like they've learned what they need to know.
Yeah, we're really proud of our digital education. We started this a couple of years ago, but it really came in handy last year when everything really shut down in person. And so we offer dozens of free financial education courses, everything from basic banking to how to save for retirement, how to create a budget, even how to avoid elder financial fraud. And these are free and they're quick and they're available to anyone. You don't have to be a member of American Eagle to take advantage of these.
Oh, that's really interesting. All right, now 160,000 people can't be wrong. They've chosen the credit union. Can you just, Teresa, explain to us the difference between a credit union and a bank?
Sure. So first of all, I'll mention that there's a lot of similarities, right? We do a lot of the same things banks do. We offer checking and savings and mortgages and car loans and online mobile banking, even investment services. So we're a full service financial institution, just like a bank. But the primary difference really is the way the organizations are structured. And so banks are for profit and many of them are public. And so that means they have shareholders. And so a lot of the decisions that are being made are being driven to enhance shareholder value. Now, on the other side of that is the credit union, and we're a not-for-profit cooperative owned by our members or our customers. And so therefore, all of the decisions that we make are to enhance the value to our membership. Mm-hmm. And we're local, we're here in Connecticut. All of our decisions are being made here in Connecticut, and we participate and support the communities.
Well, thank you so much, Teresa, for being with us. We really appreciate it. Great job.
Thank you very much.
And for more information or to take those free courses, all you have to do is visit AmericanEagle.org or visit them on Facebook at American Eagle FCU and Instagram and Twitter also at AEFCU. Good idea to get your tips on social media too. Follow your local bank.
Absolutely.